So how can you turn off the vanish mode on the Instagram on iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, do not hesitate and subscribe right now because I have plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to help you out. Anyways, whenever you get inside like your messages within Instagram, you can see that I can swipe all the way like to the bottom of the text, and if I keep on swiping up a bit more, you can see I get to turn on disappearing messages. So these messages are not going to stick around because they will disappear. That's like the whole point of this, and the screenshot will send notifications to other people. But like if you want to turn it off, right, you can see that you have the ability to swipe up again and perform the very same gesture, and you can see that it will tell me to release my finger to turn off the disappearing messages. So that's like the gesture you need to perform to turn it on or off, but that's really just the thing, right? Outside of that, you can see that we also have like different types of like messages. So you can also send it in a gift package like this, right, which is technically also a like a disappearing message if you want to call it that way. But that's how it works. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.